asenso o say o jesi no do Unveiling mo
at least me say download the no yi wa ha
manenwie deja ma de wi ni ehwe
nti me mama hwie
desa mbacho fato so ni ehwe de ha
obi a monitor
fato so ni ehwe
titi
because kebe mo say o jesi no ebe ho a
I know that.
okay say download jesi ni de ekuta ne nsem no oi but the shene de enu ayi na mo kire ne de enu awu but the ekuta ne nsem ne de last season de no
now boss how could that be possible because you know him say ba ko no the picture na gina ho no the picture and the crown nsem na hye ne nsem nti ebe de no wonya we bia hye na or the last season the picture na who would do that? So there's an error. We crowd in itself, no. It gives out.
Maybe I a bit confused with the picture now. Once a new one. When he was in the video that all Casano, I thought was a new one. All the things that he's wearing is the new ones. I'm surprised was a new one, no, but you couldn't the design. I'm sure say who's the way design. And see if there's an error to do for the designers.
But we official from official page of Kotoko. Me can't idea too sweet.
Be that should be a Kotoko official.
Visa Kotoko page or now made a live video. One in the video he's wearing everything the new. And on one pedia also not. I can't say a new one. And just now okuta any actual old one. And I think this will be a very big error on the part of whoever, those who did the production. Because yes, Jesse Russia, a new one. In the video that he's speaking, the lad is wearing the new one. But Okuto old Jesse, and in this only video, this is a video. The lad kasa. To share at nation inside now, a new one now. So you on your screen. A new one nation, like inside no. I'm surprised. Just kutana na die. Akwa old one. It's you. And ufri dan la so na ko other gas no so nya wadi top a no ye e friend say sorry a new one mun nya ntare show mun ti jibo I said they have to make this correction now. Send the side way NC in just one picture counting for just menu in just one picture and find your design and this might be an error from the maybe no design but some in this video you see the light wearing the new one.
Exactly, I will check because per what I'm getting, no, in the corner say the shirt and lad, no, the jacket and then the shirt itself, no, a camp wear for last season, and yet new this year, there, this season, there, so to say, where the name make be not feminine so that but according to the person, the shirt and lad, a camp wear for last season. And yet this season there. This season because I've spoken to some few people within the THB and I know say the jerseys are now in town. Not buying batches. But I know say they are now in town. As to whether I say Kotoko in Sakani that I don't know. But now in no more you're sorting out no. And I understand say enche. All the clubs now THB sponsor and also kitty woman no. Ubi abenya ni there. Once they are done with the sorting out no. Oh say the arrangement now no a bit different kakra from the previous no but boss fact of the matter is that Kotoko for instance almost just need delay because when current board and any new management in taking over the THB deal no almost ask for some redesigning be kakra any ade and once that is done on say kit manufacturing company no almost designing almost kit no they are clubs no if you're okay with it they go with it. If you are not okay, send your open now so I would now on my head. No my I think say a no a delay time.
From the information I mean, you know, as I see here, Tia Casano, New Jersey in Kotoko, so everything place New Year's, you know, New Jersey and quiet, because we say a camp way, New Jersey camp way, and quiet. But I only in a house of folk, maybe I think Kotoko, Karela. And one of that club, and yes, be a particular club will be paid. In this one, house of folk unveiling no, almost one day last season. They are training
where now, no day because they couldn't have used the just in one casa.
But this is where my problem is. There was some few days, if I said just a week or two, the Premier League in start.
About 2 weeks, yeah.
As at Tia Yakasay, Yemfa Kotoko has. Supporters nim jesi on beshe bokro mo betono nothing.
Last week in the story say I'm say my attention and koko. Ma the reason why
because Friday gave me a big opportunity. Say at least two teams waiting at home jesi scrum supporters.
The comment say
my Friday omunya jesi.
Oh omunya jesi say Kotoko ne has go on Friday mbeshe wo jesi. David mo she new ne famra.
Me more reason why they not getting the jerseys. Omunyina no have a commitment that they have to make to TAB for no. Obi anye. Bibini okwa tamade akoma ni a onye commitment yi. Odukoma na afie na aye problem. I'm aware say there is some commitment. I was say omoye to TAG for no. Omunyina no. Omo enyanye. Nti menim when they will be making all these commitments. What it means is because as at last week, na boxes no. Me I saw
and the clubs no me involved in make your commitment.
Omunyanye commitment is omoye.
Omunyina
that is what I
because last week Obekawa has said Kotoko Jesus no and the TH before now they be provided by the Modema fans no and a club in the better. It's a dear commitment Nessa Kotoko Yans and the team now can send your Jesse.
No for Kotoko the end of the day a more of the replicas you know. That is to be new why because at last week Jibu on Wednesday I can't on confidentiality show it to a friend is about for house for so almost no and I will do a normal sorted out. I have the mobile on phones. I have everybody's jerseys on my phone. Abba yeah sorting out everything is here on my phone. And the kids are here. And I make us say but Kotoko then is all about the only commitment to the the discussion that
because last season it was the same thing.
Because what I know are a fact is the reason why Kotoko designs a number of mountains is Kotoko and TAB. Omokache say they like they don't have the right to bring the design out. Komo edge enyama ede aye unveiling. I photo shoot in this annual money and Kotoko photo and I'm surprised because this unveiling cheap a part of your unveiling and it's the reason why Kotoko design bakupo number mountain say Kotoko ama TH for na where say the only people who know the design went on photo shoot in about one year. Photo shoot you about here. Tell me, and I'm surprised why the new players are wearing those because that is the agreement and after the discussions are of course between Kotoko and THB. And nothing say hard design about one thing, but you know Kotoko design. That was the agreement between them. Say it only come out from Kotoko end, but not from THB. I'm surprised, but for us about commitment, that one there is a fact. Mediama commitment fact, Karela commitment fact. It's sa class here. There is something that they say commitment and sign a release on Munyama de Amomo. because
Friday, I don't think that it will be nice. Asante Kotoko, another house of folk, Ebobo with their OGC. In most cases, even in European teams in car game where almost first big game, also in the new season. They come in with their new jersey. And whatever commitment I just about from Thursday, actually 1 week. I won't call him funny. So I think the challenge. Let's throw that challenge to the two clubs, both Asante Kotoko and House of Folk. Say, Democracy Cup, no, they must wait just on the new season, and that's all the baby. So I bam pass it. Pay the show phones shows the ampa.
Well, just imagine say, Kotoko has game a basso Friday.
No, that was your
say has a winnie and now Kotoko a winnie. Na has replica. Our supporters beshe a season never starting. Kotoko replica our supporters beshe. No, what I'm saying is clubs is so munyesika. Avenue ni biso mu de benyesika de bini.
Yeah.
So to the mention say has a winnie on Friday, Kotoko winnie on Friday. And ni jene was supporters mu ko be mo mato.
Start from there.
I want to say shall say free.
How does you take you off? Edu Kotoko say the whole can say Kotoko so man na omo show I don't just number out. Aka bear twist. Na be leaguers. You have this big game. Onye that Unveiling. Na be na watching.
You got me finding out from Kotoko no. Confirm say the omo used to do Unveiling ni nyina last season nyoma.
Yeah.
Last season nyoma no dey Unveiling no.
I sincerely doubt. Ebia say yeah can na be bon be speed up normal there. But I sincerely doubt say and Tuesday you're watching of course there are 2-3 days to go. Ebia on be fast track normal. And yes sir I'm here na Friday match and no man.
I want to believe so much Saturday no. Bafo. I want to believe Saturday no. It's week now you know yes I you know to face this first democracy. Well, this is a big game. Look at the camera, look at the ambience, look at how
everything about it.
Big. Yeah. So this is the best way I'll bet me cry. I will value New Jersey now. Right now, I'll set it.
Nobody to be very bad. You know, say who has no Kotoko.
Old stuff.
Okay. Also, the contribution about say for the Democracy Cup. I know the organizers gives jerseys, but how things are going, I don't see THB really well. Okay. And also but just I mean Buananka yenye THB for so side of it. So tell me say ebia there might be to the delay. So tell me say
I think this time so we blame THB for now. That person may not be fair to THB. Reason very simple. For instance, here has a folk in your design, not the justice and clear. The designs they were okay with it. So the modifications are not paying now. As a folk way back. But the time I'm release it, Emma supporters who say just on Besheni. Maybe one more has now decided to start time okay my woman. I don't know, but has for can't say Kotoko for the back and forth with regards to the designing. Say the contract itself has its own issues, but with regards to even the designing.
Almost has the same design.
Yes. Per the TH before the buy, Kotoko for extra and when they say we are, they will have to go back to the baby.
But in every production for your timelines.
Yes, but my timeline start from. The timeline start from when you finally okayed it. So okay, when I'm pay. And he said, what the mommy? And then now time production also on the timelines. And now because THB the other time they can and then and you money to conquer the digger and I'm no more and kwaku charge no won't be channel bits and pieces. In fact, according to me checks, THB before are even not happy with the clubs. Almost the only club that can blame on THB before Mediama. Because Mediama were done with them on everything. I'm not talking about the commitments that Kito is talking about in terms of designing, agreeing, and all those things, But the reason why MIN say, because as of today, THB before to me just is in ship. And to me by sea. I just say, the far cargo. which is makes it even more expensive at the detriment of omu THB no. But omu need choice because they have to go by that because some of the clubs delay with regards to designs omu accepting that omu dey assign ma omu. And I think this time around the clubs themselves are the reason why omo enya kwan ento ade ni ntem emfa ma omo supporters because assuming 1 month ago just is ni na ba kaba this time ka ebi omo start eton and the club
even for per if indeed last week just because we drew her this is not the drew Ghana so we between blame THB mo
aba no
aba they are carry was sorting
sorting out ba woni ama in box say there first Kotoko die nyina aba ebiba has die bi aba mediama die bi aba Karela die bi aba Ediana die bi aba so in that sense even that sorting out in itself except we and Emma competing you can also not release it to them but it is so because say so when you want cry no me say me madam for listen to just me as no last time I'm call no was because we say agent so one day omo ye container no for on the back by o confirm bebre die wo abesi port kra no a ye clear no so bi ntwa ni sika ye clear the whole container no ma unya kwan tubo say normal aye nti the agent kept promising say ebeba so that is
I don't know but I think all parties involved moving forward no things should be done quickly.
Yes, I agree.
So to the
yes, I agree
because season no a start here no no
season they are starting
season a start here no no so to the say enti clubs are money abre say mo pese mo compete na mo raise sika e dey mu teams no this shouldn't be the stories I yet na we say say excuse we nyina no emfa hwema emfa hwema hwe publicity omo ye wo Friday game o hwe publicity omo ye wo Friday game o Kotoko ne has asem ne ye kan o Jesse kura mo de ba supporters kura omo sheda Anthony papa sa timu say delay a na say ko another problem
this time around there so omo money break because
almost